Welcome to another episode of Teaching in the Time of Coronavirus. This time I'd like to focus a little bit on the idea of kindness. This is an incredibly frustrating time for everyone, and I think often we're going to be short-tempered, we're going to kind of be at the end of our rope, and we need to remember the people around us, and especially our students who are also dealing with a tremendous amount right now. And so when we think about how we deal with people, how we interact with them, we need to remember that kindness is an important part of that interaction. I am often reminded of this by a friend of mine on Twitter, Mark Martin at the University of Puget Sound. Tries to remind us about this quite often, and I appreciate that he does that. And one of the things that I think we have to think about is when we're dealing primarily through email with students, it's going to be very difficult sometimes to write those in a way that might not come out as harsher than you intended. Often when reading through email, the emotion behind that email is not apparent. And so we need to be thinking about that. And then when we also look at the situations our students are encountering, we need to be cognizant of are we acting in a kind way, not just trying to follow a rule or trying to get the job done quickly and efficiently, but are we giving students the benefit of the doubt, being kind in our interactions with them and in our decision making, because we're just going to have to deal with a lot right now, and if we're trying to be kind in all those interactions, part of the flexibility that I've talked about before, then hopefully everyone will come through this situation better for it, and we'll still reach our learning goals as best we can, and our students and ourselves will be better off for it. So thank you once again for listening, and I will talk to you soon.